Hello everyone, it's Olumayoba Victor Ogunshola from iDPS. iDPS means I diagnose and proffer solutions. I've got a very interesting topic to talk to us about today. But firstly, I'd like to wish us a happy new year. So a happy 2020 to all my viewers from around the world, especially my students. So what do I have for you guys today? Today, I talk about a very interesting topic in the field of business management. So are you a student in the field of business management in any university anywhere in the world? Are you already a professional and you are working in operational management, tactical management, or strategic management in any organization around the world? This video will be very interesting for you. So today, I talk about the characteristics of an effective leader. Before talking about the characteristics of an effective leader, I think I should clearly explain to us what the word effective means. To be effective means to do the right things. Also, maybe in addition, I can talk to us, or explain to us about the word efficiency. To be efficient means to do things right. So again, effectiveness, doing the right things, and efficiency, doing things right. What about leadership? What is leadership? A leader is that one who has the ability to inspire and influence others. And that's a leader. Okay, let's go to the main topic, the characteristics of an effective leader. In order to tell you about these characteristics, I already made something on the whiteboard. So if you come with me to the whiteboard, and we will be looking at the different characteristics of an effective leader. Thank you. Let's start with what we have here, and that's integrity. An effective leader has to have a high level of integrity. So that this, you must be trustworthy if you're an effective leader. What we have here as well is teamwork. An effective leader is that one who also have high abilities to work in and manage effective teams, okay? And when we talk about teams, of course, there are different roles in terms of different stages of team formation. So whether it's at the forming stage, whether it's at the storming stage, whether it's at the numbing stage, whether it's at the performing stage, or at the adjourning stage, an effective leader is there to support the team. So an effective leader is one that can be part of an effective team, and most importantly, that can lead an effective team. Ask yourself, can you be part of an effective team? How do you function in an effective team? Can you manage an effective team? The answers there into those questions tell you how effective you are as a leader. Maybe also you're saying, oh, but I don't know my roles during the team. What you want to do is to have a test on the Belbin roles, Belbin roles, team roles by Belbin. Have a test on that, and that tells you the most effective role you can play when you find yourself in a team. Control. I was a bit skeptical in putting that in there because that sounds more like a manager. But when you are in a team, or you are at work, or you are followers, there must be some elements of control. So an effective leader is that one who knows how to put the right controls in place. If you click on YouTube, you can see my video on management control. So an effective leader knows how to implement action controls, or result controls, or cultural controls, or personnel controls. Thank you. The next one here is motivation, and that's a very important one. At the start of the video, I define leadership as the ability to influence and inspire others. Right now, I want to redefine leadership as the ability to influence, inspire, and motivate others, okay? So if you're a leader, you must be able to motivate yourself and then motivate others. That leads me to emotional intelligence, guys. So if you're an effective leader, you must have a high level of emotional intelligence. That means you can manage yourself and manage others. That means you are self-aware, you know your strengths, you know your areas for improvement. That means you can manage relationships, and that means you have a high level of social awareness. That means you can, again, motivate yourself and motivate others. You can manage your emotions and manage the emotions of others, okay? That's who an effective leader is. Let's come back to the next one, serving. An effective leader is that one who serves the followers, An effective leader, some may argue, can be authoritative or can be democratic, but most importantly, an effective leader is that one who is there to serve a purpose, to serve the followers. I talked about integrity already. Therefore, an effective leader must be honest. Honesty and credibility makes an effective leader. You must be honest. People can trust you, and that's when you're an effective leader. What we have here, communication skills, okay? An effective leader must have effective communication skills. That is the ability to listen first, then speak, okay? An effective leader is that one who can get the message across to the followers. Of course, leaders have visions. Leaders are visionaries. So, therefore, a leader is that one who can communicate the vision to the followers. That's who an effective leader is. Let's see what we have here. Charisma. An effective leader is one that carries an air of charisma around them. I like to name a few leaders now, and trust me, you will say they have charisma. I'd like to start with Mahatma Gandhi, late Mahatma Gandhi, great leader from India, charismatic leader. Let's talk about someone from the modern times, Barack Obama, great charismatic leader. What about business leaders? Jack Ma, Jack Ma from Alibaba Group, great charismatic leader. And we can go on and on. So a leader has to have charisma. Of course, Donald Trump has some charisma. Maybe you say it's not your favorite leader. Maybe I mentioned Mahatma Gandhi or Jack Ma, and you say, oh, well, these are not my favorite leaders. But these are leaders with charisma. You can't take that away from them. So if you want to be an effective leader, please work on your charisma. An effective leader is a coach. Okay? An effective leader is a coach. That is, they help others to discover their potentials. Okay? They help others to discover who they are and to discover their resourcefulness and to discover their potential. That's who an effective leader is. Okay? Lastly, an effective leader is one that guides others. An effective leader guides others. The late Nelson Mandela from South Africa is an effective leader, and he talked about the effective leader as being the one that leads from behind, okay, guiding others in the right direction, guiding others towards the right vision. If we look at the smart board, I have just seen some words there, maybe that I didn't put on the whiteboard. It talks about inspire. I talk about that in my definition. An effective leader is one that works with the right ethics. Could be according to industry standards, could be according to the best practices. That's an effective leader. An effective leader is one that supports the team. An effective leader is one that involves the followers in decision-making process. An effective leader is the one that has a vision, a clear picture of where we want to be, and can communicate that vision. It's not okay to have the vision. What's most important that you can communicate, sell that vision to others, and that's an effective leader. An effective leader is the one that champions responsibility. An effective leader does not have a laid-back approach, laissez-faire approach. No, an effective leader is hands-on, they are responsible, and they are part of the task. And that's the short video on characteristics of an effective leader. Thank you very much. I hope that you have enjoyed the video. Please, we'd like to hear from you. You can give us feedback by writing us at info@idpsconsults.com, or maybe you think that there's something we can improve because we are here to serve the world with educational services, with knowledge. You can also email us at info@idps.com, idpsconsults.com, or you can go on our website www.idpsconsults.com, and you can send us a message. We will reply you because we are here to serve the world with the best educational services. Of course, you know that I will not go until I talk about my passion, and my passion is to see Africa develop. So I say, are you an African anywhere in the world? Keep doing everything to work towards African unity, and keep doing everything to make sure that Africa must develop. That's the very end. In English language, I like to say thank you. In Dutch language here from the Netherlands, I like to say thank you well. Yoruba language from Nigeria, West Africa, I like to say eshew. Bye.